Go. Right. Back. Shotgun. Again. This time, thought take the mic, fill it with water. So.
I did have a little shoot at that and it kept rebounding.
Yeah, so. I've also filled up the sniper in case. So it's. So yeah, let's just do this.
Exactly.
Oh, I think we're gonna have a little bit more trouble with this one.
Exactly.
Oh, I actually pierced it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Eventually. Ugh.
Wow, this is heavy duty stuff. I don't think I'm gonna win against this.
Jesus!
Did it hit you?
No, it went right past my head.
Hold on. I shot the lid.
Yay! You did it!
Oh, made a hole, yes.
You hit the phone!
And there goes my hand. Oh, and I got one.
Yes!
Yes! Wow.
Eventually.
Eventually. Wait, hold on. It's still water.
Yeah, I guess. Ow! Ow! Jesus! You're out, finally!
Right.
Alright, and now this has got to be end because it started to rain. Oh, you got to bring the sniper out, alright. Sniper! Oh, Scheiße! Look at my face, I'm scared.
Just showed the camera to
Yeah!
you. Hey, look, it's peeing. I feel sorry for Punky Russ 10. He should have been here.
Yeah, it's meant to be here.
Yeah.
And there's a second one.
And we're out.
Oh, yeah. Is this it?
This is it. I will see you guys later.